Assalamu alaikum. In this session, we are looking into the letter Daal in Khattu Thuluth. The Daal, one of the four finishing letters in the Arabic calligraphy alphabet, is comprised of three strokes, including hilya. The first stroke is a diagonal stroke. That is, starts off with drop while going right, followed by a shallower 45-degree segment, and finally dropping down again to finish the stroke. The second stroke starts by overlapping the tail of the first stroke by going downwards and then scripting a linear segment going down towards the left. The linear segment has a length of 4 nuqtas. As it drops by 2 nuqtas, it sharply pulls back upwards towards the right and ends at the horizontal point at the origin of the second stroke. In regards to the direction of the final segment of the second stroke, if the stroke continued its path, it would end up at the origin of the first stroke. The third stroke is a sidewise hilya, that is little flatter than usual and flicks towards the right. Moving into the practical demonstration, first we have to stroke the first stroke. It is starting like that, then slightly 45-degree curve, this is the first stroke. Then second stroke, start by overlapping the first stroke. By overlapping the first stroke, then going towards the right for 4 nuqtas and in the depth of 2 nuqtas. Then curving upwards. Then you have to put the third stroke, that is the hilya, like flicking towards the right. Inshallah, if you found this session useful, please like and share to your friends. Assalamu alaikum.